The Kijaro Dual Lock chair features the Kijaro Dual Lock experience and is made from diamond ripstop polyester with a breathable mesh back. The Kijaro Dual Lock chair weighs just under 9.5 pounds, but can hold up to 300 pounds with no sag seating, 2 different sized mesh cup holders, and a side pocket organizer. The Kijaro Dual Lock chair provides you with superior seating and portability. Kijaro, journey on.
Good camping gear means less time unpacking and more time relaxing. The Hitorhike 2-piece camping chair sets up in just minutes with a collapsible aluminum frame. The frame is similar to a lightweight pop-up tent and is incredibly stable. The chair is designed to keep you cool on those hot summer days out enjoying the wild. Ripstop nylon will keep you cool and comfortable, and the cooling mesh seat panel ventilates your back and backside. Plus, the fabric drains and dries fast, so you'll be up for any weather or adventure. There are 2 useful side pockets for your phone, water bottles, and other gear. Enjoy this comfortable chair that you can take on the go.
Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle rocker is constructed of sturdy, powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.
Kijaro's Beach Sling Chair, made from breathable ballistic mesh and diamond ripstop polyester fabric, sits on a rust-resistant frame and includes a detachable cushioned headrest pillow so you can kick back and relax all day. The Kijaro Beach Sling Chair holds up to 300 pounds, comes with 2 mesh cup holders, an attached strap closure for quick portability, a water-resistant detachable organizer that doubles as a convenient carry pouch when you're at the beach, and a built-in cooler and/or dry storage container that fits 6 12-ounce cans. With the Kijaro Beach Sling Chair, you can keep your feet in the water all day long. Kijaro, journey on.
The King Kong chair by ALPS Mountaineering has been a fan favorite for over 10 years. Our highest weight-rated chair, the King Kong, has a beefy, powder-coated steel frame with a generous seat width of over 24 inches. 3 large pockets keep your gear off the ground, and the 2 cup holders are a great feature for those summer days. Perfect for the campsite or your kid's soccer game, the King Kong easily folds up into its included carry bag.